All right, time to test it out. Turn it on. I have it at 61 right now. Let me see if I can turn it on so you guys can see it. It's tanning. $61, that's like in the middle. I'm just gonna test this out really quick. So first time doing this, I'm gonna have to adjust it until I get it right. Just like most welders. Ooh, that's actually too hot. It's already melting the metal, so I already can see this is a good welding machine already. Let's go like a little bit more than a quarter. Go a little bit higher. It's going 43. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, pretty good welder. Let's test out this stuff.